Manoj from Katy has a question about a mold problem.
Well, there's moisture in the second floor bathroom area, and it's causing significant mold problems, he feels. So Manoj writes to us, I see mold like a black area on the bathroom ceiling near the vent and also near the bathroom vanity. Check this out.
That's pretty bad.
That is a bad situation. Look at the moisture building up on the register there.
No, I see it all. I just can't believe anybody let it go that long.
It looks like it's pretty thick. Now, do you think that's mold or do you think that is just mildew?
Okay, you see the little circles?
Yeah.
That's black mold.
That's bad.
Yeah, that's either Stachybotrys or Penicillium.
Well, a roofer confirmed there is no leak, so he believes the attic is not venting properly, and combined with the current renter in the house who keeps the thermostat at a constant 65 degrees, it's creating the problem. That's what the roofer told him.
Yep.
So Manoj wonders if he needs an AC specialist to come out there or an attic ventilation engineer, if there is such a thing. What would be your recommendation?
My recommendation is that it has to come out. That's a mold remediation issue.
Okay.
It's done simple. That it all has to come out. The insulation behind it has to come out in plastic bags. Take it out. Re-sheetrock the whole thing. Rudy's Quality Painting could do that. That's not a problem. And the insulation above that ceiling is so lacking. And with the cold air and the humidity from the showers and tubs and stuff, it's causing that problem, but that's what it is. But that has to come out.
That's a health concern as much as anything.
Well, it's because of the black round spots.
Okay.
That is mold. That's coming from the back to the front. It's all the way through.
So that's not just mildew building
That's
on the
not
surface.
mildew at all. Mildew is pretty much what you wash off your backside every day.
So what Manoj doesn't realize when he wrote this letter is that he has got a big old problem.
Well, his renter does.
What's going to be the remedy going forward to keep this from happening again?
More insulation in the attic. I bet you there's no insulation, and so you have that hot and that cold and the super cold that there's 65 degrees and the sweating. You could see the dripping. It's all insulation details.
What I'm trying to figure out is you got a roofer comes out, and he says you need an attic ventilation specialist.
No.
Isn't that what a roofer does?
Well, if you called Ideal Roofing,
yeah,
that would be true. But this is not a ventilation problem.
All right, this is purely
insulation, and now it's got to a point. When you start to see these things, you need to take care of them quickly.
Right, not let it spread like this.
When it gets that bad, it's because it's neglect. When you have neglect in a home, you end up paying a lot of money to fix it. You've got to be careful. I came home from Brownsville last night.
Yeah.
I have a little drip at my garbage disposal.
Right.
The lady that takes care of my house said, Tom, we have a little leak here. I could ignore it, and it could become a huge problem.
Right.
But I'm calling Abacus Plumbing, actually, to get a new garbage disposal because I got to fly out tonight. But you have to take care of these things at the beginning. Once you let them go, it can just be huge, Charlie. It's just the way it is.
Right, so take care of your house.
Yeah, that ceiling needs to get taken out of the house.
All right, as many times we get questions about people who think they have mold, here we really got it.
One of the first times.
There it is.
When you see those black circles, that's a problem. Actually, kind of black-purple.
No, do you think you have a problem? That's what I meant to say. Go ahead and send it to us. Send us your pictures, send us your videos, send your words, send them all using that Ask Tom form. You'll find it in the center of the homepage at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.